Γεια σας! Today, just a short announcement. Because we've reached 10,000 subscribers on our channel, it's a huge milestone for us, as you can imagine. We did not expect this, and we are thankful for each and every one of you for your support, for your comments, for your subscription, for your likes, for your everything. And most of all, we are happy if we manage to help you learn Greek and share our love for Greece with you. This is not the end. For us, this is just the start. This is a huge motivation to keep going more often. I promise. We have some things in mind. I promise we will not take all of you for granted. We appreciate you and we see you. Σας βλέπουμε. Another important thing we should not miss is that February the 9th is International Greek Language Day. Oh, did you know that? February 9th. It's a day in honor of Dionysios Solomos, a national poet of Greece and the author of Greek national anthem. Ύμνος εις την Ελευθερίαν. Hymn to freedom. Ελευθερία, freedom. Don't forget, Greek is one of the oldest languages in Europe. It has a huge impact on medicine, philosophy, history, science. So many words in other languages come from Greek. In the description, you can read the Greek version and the free English translation of Greek national anthem. If I didn't bore you with my little speech today, and if you're still here, please pay attention. Because of the milestone we reached as a little Visit Sithonia page, and because of the International Greek Language Day in February, we offer you a free masterclass where you can join live and attend my presentation of Greek alphabet and all the little tweaks and things which, if you are careful and if you implement everything I say, you will be able to read Greek after that class. The only thing you need to do is to send us an email saying you would like to join, and then we'll keep the communication going a bit and arrange a class completely free of charge where you can learn the Greek alphabet and rules for reading. In the end, you can ask some questions, of course, and I would be happy to share my knowledge with you. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much for every single comment and every thought, and especially thank you to those of you who are already my students now, who found me through our YouTube channel. Be good and keep learning, and yasa!